Hey everybody, it's the Home Dad. Sorry about the little noise in the background. That's my son's little iPad that he's playing with. We're going to do a dry rub for our chicken wings we're going to be smoking tonight. And there's going to be like a sweet, spicy kind of thing. So we're going to add in roughly 3 tablespoons of packed brown sugar in the bowl there. I'll break that up. There we go. Into that, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and our secret ingredient, that's not good, is this, see if we can focus on that, garlic Siracha from Weber. There we go. And we're going to get roughly 2 teaspoons in there. Maybe 3. Let's do 3 because this stuff's really good. Now if you don't like it spicy, don't use 3 because it gets hot. And to that, we're going to add in about a half a teaspoon of rough ground salt. This is a Himalayan pink salt. And we're going to add in about the same amount of black pepper. There we go. And we're going to give this a good mix. And this is going to be our dry rub for our wings. And I'm going to prepare those wings. They're whole wings. So I'm going to cut them up into their sections, into the drumettes and the wings. And we're going to go from there. And we'll rub these down. And I got the pit going. We're going to be smoking these with some cherry wood. So stay tuned, everybody. Hey everybody, we're back. I got the wings cut and they are seasoned. And we got the smoke rolling. As you can see. Does that look good? So we're going to put our wings on the grill. See how it looks. Oh yeah. These are going to be great. It's starting to drizzle a little bit, but this Oklahoma Joe don't care. This thing holds its temperature. It was pouring down rain one night and I smoked a Boston Butt on it. It just doesn't care. It's a great smoker. Alright, there's that little bit. The neighbors are going to be jealous tonight. Get these on here. It's going to be about 32 wings. It's 1 pack. The wife and I will eat these over a few days. Oh, sorry about that. It's a little dog. Do a little bit of maneuvering on this grate here. We'll make it work though. Get all the wings on there. One more right here. Beautiful. There, that's a load of wings right there, ain't it? Well, I hope y'all are enjoying this so far. See if we can get a better view of that. There we go. Now how does that look? Alright everybody, stay tuned, and I'll bring you back when we get to going. Hey everybody, we're back. I don't know if you can see that, but it is looking good, and it is raining out here. I just got my little thermometer just to check a few of these. See how we're doing. They might be done. 160. Some of these little ones probably done. Yeah. Check this one. Yeah, I'm going to say they're done. I'm going to go ahead and get these ready to pull off of here, and we'll go from there. Stay tuned everybody. Alright everybody, we're back. Pulled them off the grill. I cooked them a little hot. I cooked them about 375, and they went for approximately 40 minutes. Got a good char on them, a good little crisp, and you can smell the smoke and the seasoning coming off of them. If you can just get a good zoom in picture. How does that look? I'll see if I can take a picture of that while I got it going, eh? There we go. That looks good. Well, let's go ahead and give these a try. I'm gonna grab this little one over here. They're super hot, so bear with me. They're good. You can taste that smoke. It's not overpowering. It's just enough. And that the Siracha, the brown sugar really balances that. It's not pure heat, but you get the little kick in the back of your throat. What do you think about that? Delicious. Well, thanks for watching everybody. Hope you enjoyed this little cook. You can cook chicken wings hot and fast on a smoker. More especially the Oklahoma Joe Bronco. Works out perfect. They're delicious. They got good smoke flavor, good little rub. I suggest everybody give that a little try if you can find all the ingredients. But like I always say, God bless. Hit the bell for notifications and subscribe. Stay tuned to the next video. Thanks everybody.